Come visit this new 3-bedroom, 3-bath starter home here in mid-Phuket and see what you can get for under 3 million baht. While not unusually large, this 100 square meter home can easily become cozy and comfortable with a little creativity. Just next to this home is your option to purchase this 440 square meter lot for your future dream villa, and the seller will give you a package price for both. See how convenient living here can work for you. Near shopping, dining, schools, beaches, and services, this ideal location is central to everywhere in mid-Phuket. Thank you for watching, and please contact our team for more information or other properties throughout Phuket.